Hi, I'm Linda Grossman from Grossman Chevrolet Nissan in Old Saybrook. I just wanted to reach out to our customer base and the people in our community to just talk to you about the precautions that we're taking and everything that's going on right now. The first thing I want to do is thank all of our caregivers, emergency personnel, people that are teachers that are accommodating schedules and are making changes to accommodate this sort of temporary new way of life. There's things that we're doing here as well. The first thing is we're open. Because we're a service industry, we have to keep vehicles on the road. We have to complete safety recalls. People do need to get places. In addition, that when this is over, people will need to get back to work, to school. Now is actually a good time to take care of some of your vehicle needs so that when things return to normal, you can hit the ground running. In an effort to help you get through this process, we've installed a bunch of procedures here to make it easier, to make you feel safe. The first is that we are offering pickup and delivery. If you want us to come get your car, we can leave a replacement car for you. If you want, we are sanitizing every car before our technicians get in it, and after they are done and returning it to you, we are wiping down steering wheel, anything that they touch, we are wiping it down. They're wearing gloves. We are cleaning keys before we transfer keys. When a car is returned to you, we will put this sanitized, this card in it to indicate that it has been cleaned. We are doing electronic invoicing. We can do authorizations by email, phone, so that you don't have to come inside and sign a credit card receipt. We can email everything to you. We're also taking some steps to try to work with people's budgets because we know this is a tough time. There's a lot of concern about money, frankly. And so what we're doing is helping people to prioritize what they need immediately and what can wait, that we can table to a later date. We are also practicing social distancing to make sure that we are staying the appropriate distance from people. We are watching our employees daily to make sure that we see no signs of illness, and taking every precaution that we have to keep our staff and our customers safe. And we would appreciate your support of our local business. We've been here over 26 years serving the community and expect to be here for the long haul. Hopefully this is just a bump in the road. Thank you.